Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun phonics adventure. Today we are learning something magical. It's called the silent E rule. The letter E is very special. Sometimes it stays quiet at the end of a word, but it changes the vowel sound like magic. Let's see how it works. Wow, look at this glowing letter E. Silent E has a magic power. It does not make a sound, but it helps vowels say their names. Let's understand this with some examples. Cut and cute. Look at this word. Cut. The vowel says a sound, short sound. Now watch carefully. Here comes silent E and cut becomes cute. The E is silent, but now the vowel U says long sound U. Next example, tap and tape. Here's another one. Tap becomes tape. A vowel A changes from short A to long A. A says A in tape. Next, fiend to fine. Fiend becomes fine. Now the vowel I says I in fine. Hop to hope. Hop becomes hope. The vowel O changes to O sound. Silent E makes the vowel long. Cup and cube. Cup becomes cube. Now U says U in cube. When a word ends with silent E, the first vowel says its name. A says A. E says E. I says I. O says O. And U says U. Read some more words. Mad becomes made. Read becomes ride. Not becomes note. Tub becomes tube. Only tiny silent T can change the whole word. Now it's a quiz time. You have to answer for this. What happens when we add silent E to kit, K-I-T, kit? Kit becomes kite. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.